Well, we came across the VersaLift here at the Home and Garden Show several years ago. Met Paul Little and had him come out and install it. I had threatened to get one for years, having seen him out here. Finally, my wife said it's time. As my kids became less and less available to help me go up and down in the attic, with Christmas decorations, the seasonal, all the seasonal activity that she has, it was just so much easier to install one of these and be able to run up and down the ladder without having to worry about hauling tubs and boxes. No longer walking up the rickety ladder into the attic and carrying boxes. It's been a godsend for us. We have a 9.5-foot Christmas tree that probably weighs 180 pounds, 200 pounds, and it takes it up there in no time. Much easier. Just storing my kids' stuff. My daughter's moved out of the house, and now she has an area in the attic that she owns because all of her stuff comes back to our house. She can put it on the lift, send it up, and organize it the way she wants it. But the repairmen have used it for heat and air work, and people that have looked at it have wondered, what is it? Where did you get it? We've given that information out quite a few times. So my wife had a bad knee. She had her knee replaced recently. So her job is really to control the operator and bring the lift down to the ground and help load it and send it back up. And that way she doesn't have to get on the ladder and risk any further injury or hurting her knee any more than it was. So that's been beautiful too. The two of us can do it. We don't have to rely on the kids coming home to help. And in fact, she can go up and, if she wanted to, could go up and get things out of the attic herself without having to strain.
My husband said we needed a 3-car garage. All we really needed was the VersaLift.
We used to trip over garage clutter. Now we send it all to the attic.
He said 3-car garage. I said VersaLift.
She was right, as usual.
Find out more at www.versalifthome.com.